Welcome to middle of nowhere. I'm the guy that literally lives in the middle of nowhere. I'm Duff. That's my name. Whatever. And today is a very simple job. This is my driver's side headlight that needs to go in. As you can see, this one here, get in the shade. It's pretty fogged and it's pretty shitty, and it just has that kind of like crap that's all over the lens. I didn't really care. This one's not so bad, but it's better off. It only cost me fucking minimal. This is a very like one-handed job. Very simple. Since I'm using my impact, it's only literally that is a 10mm bolt. Take that out. I don't want to lose the bolt because I don't have spares. There's one up here on this side. That's it. Whoa, that could have sucked. Undo that one just because, and then you slide it that way out towards the outside. And I normally just come on, since I'm doing it one-handed with there, my hand with this. There we go. Just pull it out towards the side. Now, me pulling that up was probably a bad idea because here, let's just put that back in. It's in, it's out of the way. See, that's, yeah, it has to, you need that end to clear it. So it's a matter of pulling out your bolts or bulbs. It's a very simple thing. Twist that to the right. This pulls out. The fun part is getting that through there. And there's a mount that holds it. So I don't have that down there, so that connects to that there. See that there, that little flimsy thing? That's what that piece is sitting on. So easiest thing to do, pull it straight up from what I think, or straight down. Well, I'll be right back, but now I'm gonna get that fucking undone. Okay, so there's one thing on here that you gotta notice to do. Is this bolt here, this little Phillips, that's to release this head. I just took it out of there. So it's a matter of just undoing it. See if I can do it one-handed. Oh, sorry. Yeah. That's the only. This is mainly so you can get the cables out and put back into a proper place. That's about it. Yeah, very simple. Okay, so now that that's done, it's just a matter of turning this to the right, pull that out, and those little pesky ass cables will eventually make their way. Oh, come on. And I'm doing it right-handed because I'm not right-handed, I'm left-handed. So, there. Just to get these out of the housing. Sorry about the bad angle. Here, I'll just pull that light out. Make it easier to pull it out. Yeah, see, it wouldn't have made it in anyways. Okay, so, put the light bulb down because I don't need it right now. I wonder, that versus that. This thing has that little etch right there, a little triangle. You know what, they look the same. They're fine. So, I'm not gonna switch one up for the other. Sorry about that. So, that turn signal's there like that. Any damage anywhere else in here? Nothing, it's all good. Alright. So a matter of taking that piece off. That's simple. Just squeeze down that. I didn't bring out my fucking pliers. But if you turn it sideways, you can get up and down with it. Can I get it with my fingers? So this would make it so much easier just to switch it out. So yeah, I'm gonna get a set of fucking square head pliers or needle pliers. I'm gonna just pull that out. Alright, just like so, it's out. So I literally, that little block thing there, where is it? This piece here, just squeeze those together with my square head, but I turned it on an angle so it would have to be looking like that. Oop, looking like that, instead of up and down, because you're not gonna get it up and down that way. So very simple. But I also just noticed something else. Something I didn't notice before. I've got a hole in the bottom of the light. But, you know what? I don't have to care because it's, now that's done. I'll keep it for like extra parts if I need to have that. If this bracket here breaks, then I can use that one. And I have also the turn signal, so if that gets smacked by a rock, I can swap it out again. So, okay, so I put that in. If you look down here, you see there's 3 little notches, okay? One really off. And see with this one, there's one right there, cover it with a shade, and 2 there. So that there has to line up. So make sure this one here lines up. And it goes in a certain way. And if it doesn't go in, it's not fucking in. See? That would be it. So there we go. And then it's a matter of putting it in. And there we go. Turn it. Well, if you're facing it, turn it to the right, clockwise. Simple thing now. Let's do. Put the other wires, put them through the mount. God damn it. Doesn't matter. There. Doesn't matter which one you do first. And then after that, make sure you put it up into this place and over just enough that you can get in there. So I'm hoping you can see this here, because I got the thing mounted up into the hood. This little piece. So that just goes off top. That goes in. Push this through, so that way that sits like that. Very simple. So this piece here just goes, literally sits down in, because you're going to have that one here align with this one right there. I'm hoping the camera's seeing it, because otherwise I can't fucking tell. And these 2 pins here have to lock into those. So lock those in first, and then just like that, done. So simple, right? I'm just gonna put these light bulbs in place just for shits and giggles. So right now, and the simple thing is take your big bolt and you slide it through. Just line it up at the top and the bottom. There you go. So you'll see that it comes through. I gotta torque it. I can't do it with my hand. Just getting old kind of thing. There we go. I don't know if you can see that a little bit there, but yeah, just that matter of tightening that down now, because that'll keep it aligned. And just like that, this thing is all set, ready to go. So, simple thing is now, you got the little piece that goes into the main block. Just plug it in, done. Make sure you line up that little flat plate there, put that in place, because I see that just rests in there. And then you have this piece here, that will go right in behind that piece there. So you put it in from the side, just push as far as possible. See, it has a kind of a guide block. It ain't gonna do much. What's stopping it? Nothing. That's what I want. I'm gonna tuck this in there just because I don't want this cable fucking around. Alright. And, oh, there we go. Yeah, so up, back, in, and over. And bring it forward a little bit just so it lines up. If it doesn't line up, well, then you're gonna have a shitty ass light bulb set up. In. Don't torque it down yet. Make sure the other one's in. This one's being a pain in the ass, so there we go. Lift it up in. Okay. Okay, I got a slight problem. It's very simple. It's not really much of a problem. It's just more of a pain in the ass, so I just slide it over just because I need to look at this. This has to be lined up It doesn't seem to be lining up right. It looks like it's lined up, but like you can see the green here, here. Oh, fuck! I hate this camera. Okay, so I got a slight problem, and it's this piece here. You can see how the green lines up on the plastic here, but here and there. So I'm just gonna. Holy shit! That's really in there. So just doing that. It won't move. So fucking weird neighbors, man. Creepy ass old hag. Fuck. I hate that bitch. Like the fucking neighbors from hell kind of thing. I don't need that shit. I gotta get that lined up. So easiest way to do that, just hold it in place like that. So I think it's in. Just a matter of tightening it in. That is outwards, and I just fucked it. Okay, so get this one in. See how it lifts up the piece. Now we pulled it up. So it does move up. Done. Pretty simple. And that's it. If you have to do adjustments, you can see how that moves around. Which I'm not too worried too much. Actually I am. I don't like that, how that just wobbles like that shit. I don't know what these things are. Oh, just a little plug. Okay. Water plug if it fills up with water, because these things... Damn, it looks like I'm going to have to get this one done, because you can see the water there. The moisture shit. Oh, well. I'll get another one of those next time. But, I'm the guy from Illinois. That is how to, well, have fun with getting this fucking thing out. It's literally 3 bolts, so 2 10 mils, and a Phillips screwdriver. Very simple. Done. Easy. And, oh, yeah, you'll need that. So, 10 mil, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. I'm the guy from Illinois. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you want to see any other kind of stuff. It'll almost like be just shit like this. Gotta get that thing fixed. You can see a little bit of damage on here from when I got fucking smoked by some Chevy Aveo. Piece of shit. These were all disgusting grinded. Oh, sorry, not this side. The other side was because I hit a median. But I got lucky. Fucking Alberta wheel repair got that thing fixed. And got me brand new fucking rims. Looking like that. I have an old pictures of what the old rims look like. But that'll be another video. Like always, have a good one.